Hello guys, my name is Johnson from Femtech. Today we'll be looking at Facebook, that is business.facebook.com, how to request for a page, under the meta, that is the business settings. This is under digital marketing actually. So I want to request for a page, a Facebook page, which I want to manage for the person. So to request for a Facebook page, and likewise I'll be teaching you how to accept the page request, where you can actually find the request on your Facebook page. So just ensure to stay and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you will understand where to get the page, where you need to go to get the page request on your Facebook page, and how you can request for a page using the business Facebook. That is the business.facebook.com, being a digital marketer. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in to your business.facebook.com. Now after you have logged in, like mine, I've logged into the business.facebook.com, and you just need to come down to where you have the pages tab here. Pages tab, you click on the pages tab. After clicking on this, you have this page open to you. So from the page that is being opened, I want to request for a page access. I will need to come to this place where you have the add. Now, not add a page, just request access to a page. I will click on this, and I will type the name of the page which I want to request access to. Now, the page I'm going to request access to is our Easy Signature. This is the page I want to request access to. Now I will click on this page which I want to request access to. Then I will actually select the control which I want over that page. So I want a full control over the page. I will check this. Then I will click on request access. A request has been sent asking the people who manage Easy Signature to approve your request. We will let you know if your request is approved. So I've sent a request to Easy Signature page. We have opened the page down. I want to show you how to go about it. Now this is the profile whereby I have the page. The name of the page is Easy Signature. If you cannot find it under your shortcuts here, just navigate and come to here under the account here. Click on this. You will still have it here, Easy Signature. So I can make use of this, and likewise I can click on this. So let's follow this Easy Signature. Then when the page open onto me, when the page open, fine. Now the page has opened, Easy Signature. Now when the page open, what you need to do is this. Just come to here under the manage. Click on manage here. Fine. When you click on manage, then go down and locate page access from your left panel. Page access. Click on page access. Fine. From the page access, down under partner with access, pending access request, you will see review request. If I should click on this, then automatically I have granted the request. I'm going to stop here today, and I believe you have gained a lot. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the like button. See you guys next time.